What's up, ladies and gentlemen? John Juan back with another quick DIY music video setup. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in to my last video, and I wanted to continue the trend and cater to my fellow entrepreneurs and share cost-efficient music video setups that are next level. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a beat. I'll be posting plenty more content just like this and the final music videos as well so you can see the product. This time, I linked up with my guy MBF Rico out of Jersey City. Now, him and his crew run pretty deep, and it's kind of hard to get everybody here to the studio at once. So, I decided to bring a dope setup to them. My guy Reek really be killing these tracks, and I wanted to relay that in a visual, so I went full Dexter and decided to put the fellas in a kill room wrapped in plastic. The plastic wrap was about $20 for a few 10-foot sheets, which I doubled up on the wall to make it hard to see through. I also went ahead and got some fake blood and painted it on the walls to complete the look. As far as wardrobe, Reek and I went and got some red coveralls and ski masks for the guys in the video, giving it a real big budget feel. One very important subject that I wanted to touch on is a tip for being a better director. Take control. If you have a shot that you need and you got guys on set that aren't compliant or are in the way, you have to let them know what's up. There's a vision here that must be executed and you need this footage. You also can't have your subject getting lost in a crowd of a bunch of people. Remember, assert yourself and get the shot. With a setup like this, there's often more than one wall, so that means there's more than one setup that you could do. In this case, I brung some yellow caution tape to get a close-up performance scene of Reek by itself. If you enjoyed this video and found something useful, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to drop a like on us. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to see more of in the next tutorial and leave some tips and suggestions for other people in our community. One of the easiest ways to connect with me is on Instagram at PlentySkills, or connect with my production company at Usual Politics and at P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. Again, I really appreciate you guys for tapping in, and I look forward to the next video. Peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.